I'm depending on you to keep them out of trouble. And you too, Uncle George, not like last time.
Lock your door and buckle up. Lock your door and buckle up. Lock your door and buckle up. Take you right in the car. Engine goes boom boom. Engine goes boom boom. Engine goes boom boom. Take you right in the car. 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 I'm gonna let you blow the horn. I'm gonna let you blow the horn. Take you right in the car. 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 Click clack, open up the door, girls. Click clack, open up the door, boys. Front door, back door, clickety clack. Take you right in the car. 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 Take you right in the car.
Hi guys, how are you? Great! You guys want to go on the train? Yeah!
Daylight train is coming. It's whistling round the bend. It'll take you all around the world, bring you home again. Get on board, little children, get on board. Little children, get on board. Little children, there's room for many and more. Daylight train's a good train, best train on the track. No matter where you travel, it always brings you back. Get on